Hello friends, welcome to StackDevelopers YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you that how you can download the free multi-vendor e-commerce template for our Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series free of cost, without any cost, and it will take just 5 minutes. Okay, so you are required to take just few simple steps to download the free multi-vendor e-commerce template. I'm going to explain you right away. Okay, so first you are required to open this website SiteMakers.in, where you can find this template. Okay, just simply open this website. Here you can click on download. Once you will click on download, here at the top you can able to see the download SiteMakers HTML responsive template for Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce. Okay, so this is the template that you are required to download. If you will click on login to download, then you will ask for the credentials, and I am going to provide you the credentials when you will take few simple steps, okay, free of cost. See, if you don't have that much time that you can't take those free simple steps, then you can always join as a member to get this free template free of cost. I'm going to show you the template as well that we are going to use for our Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series, in which we are going to make the Amazon like website. Okay, so here this is the home page of our template. You can see this is the home page. Okay, so here you can see the left sidebar in which the categories are coming. Okay, where you can see here as well the drop downs are coming, the categories are coming, login and register also links here are coming, and here you can see the banners are coming, slider banners are coming. Okay, so here you can see the products are coming. Okay, and you can see the summer collection and winter collection that we will make from the admin panel. Feature products are coming, and newsletter is coming. Then new Laravel products are coming. Then logos are coming. Here you can see, and after that the footer part is coming. So this is the home page, and I'm going to show you the listing page as well. And I'm going to provide you these files: index, contact, detail, listing, login, register, about, card, and checkout. Okay, so I'm going to show you the listing page. So this is the listing page in which you can see the filters at the left sidebar. Here products are coming. Okay, and here the pagination is coming. Footer and header remain the same. Sort by feature is coming. Search by name is coming. Okay, so this is the listing page, and I'm going to show you the detail page that you will get. This is the detail page. You can select the sizes, you can select the colors. Here you can update the quantity. Okay, here you can see the description, wash care, and reviews. Okay, so everything, whatever the standard e-commerce website is having, this template is having all those. And you can see the you may also like as well. Okay, so this is the detail page, and here we will also add the zoom feature for the images. Okay, so I'm going to show you the login page. Okay, login page, we have the two options here: customer and vendor login. Okay, in the same way, in the register page as well, we have the two option. We can register as a customer or vendor. Okay, and I'm going to show you the card page. So this is the card page. You can see the products are coming here. Apply coupon, card summary is coming here. Okay, and I'm going to show you the tech checkout page, and here you can see the saved addresses. We can add the multiple delivery addresses here. Once you will click here, you can see you will move to here add delivery address form. Okay, so you can save the form and can select one of the saved address. Here from here you can select one of the saved address, and you can see the order summary here at the right sidebar, and here you can see the total. Then the payment methods: PayPal, direct, check, bank transfer. More payment gateways we are going to integrate in our Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series, like Razorpay and Paytm, WordPay. Okay, so many payment gateways like Stripe also. So we can implement lot of payment gateways, and your suggestions are always welcome. What payment gateway you require for your multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so so see, there are other pages as well, like the contact us page is here. You can see the contact us page and the about page, in which like the about page we are going to create the CMS pages. Here you can see the about page as well. Okay, so this complete package, this complete HTML website you can able to get after taking few simple steps I am going to tell you. And these few simple steps you can also find under video. Under video you can see the description in which all these steps are mentioned. Okay, So first step is you are just required to subscribe the YouTube channel, that is the Stack Developers YouTube channel. You can also search for the channel here, Stack Developers. Simply search here Stack Developers and you can see the Stack Developers at the top. Okay, and you can open this channel and can subscribe it. Okay. Next step is just to give the 5-star rating with review. Open this link that you can find under video. Just open this link and please give the 5-star rating here. Just provide me the 5-star rating here. Just you are required to do like this and post some good message, some good review. Okay, and after that you are required to install the SiteMakers app. See, app is available for Android as well as for the iPhone, iPad, Mac. Okay, so you can I hope that one of the device you must be having, so you can install the SiteMakers app and can give the 5-star rating there as well. And after that, just like our Facebook page and join our Facebook group and like and comment on Laravel 12 videos. So this one is the Laravel 12 video. Just you are required to open and can comment on this video. Okay, here like you are just required to open this video Laravel 12. This is the first part of the Laravel 12 in which I have explained that what we are going to do, complete overview and project scope. Okay, so please comment on this video. Okay, some good comment on this video. And like I have explained you, just you are required to like our Facebook page here. Just open the page and like it. Simply click to like it. Okay, nothing else. Just you are required to click here, like this like button at the right side. Okay, and just join the channel. Just open this one Facebook group. Just simply open this Facebook group and just join the group. From here you can join the group. So I don't think that it will take more than 5 minutes of your time. Okay, then I will send you the email. See, first you need to send me the email at stackdevelopers2@gmail.com with the screenshots link. Once you will take all these steps, just take the screenshot of every step and you can send me those screenshots or links where you have posted uh, to my email stackdeveloper2@gmail.com. I will reply with the credentials so that you can able to download this template and can start further on this multi-vendor e-commerce series so that you can continue with part 51. Okay, so that you can continue with the part 51 and the other part you can follow, and we are going to start working on the home page. First of all, I am going to start working on the home page, and after that we will continue with the listing detail and further pages. Okay, so I hope that you can able to take these steps, and if you will have any trouble you can surely comment me. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.